VIP sports card event. It's going down. It's gonna be dope. A lot of good dealers, a lot of good cards, big cards. Shout out to my dude David. I'll try to get a little interview with him today. Tap in with some of the other dealers. I'm in dad hat mode, so you know the pockets are full of money, ready to be spent, ready to buy some big boys. Yeah. Stay tuned. Making a deal with my boy right here, man. I'm getting the Brady. You know I'm a sucker for Brady. Brady Bowman. He's getting the Ertz, the Sohan the Destroyer. Can't go wrong with some Brandon Miller. That card's about to jump. The Rui. She's getting the Rosen. The Magic. Can't go wrong with Magic and Shaq. Come on, Laker Dynasty. And then some couple of Bronze. Oh, yeah. Thank you, brother.
Let's go. Let's get it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's 40 for the ant. Thank you, brother. I want to deal with my bro Dave right here.
On the corners.
The man, the myth, the legend. Some Otanis, the batting, the pitching. 700 cash. Let's get it. Deal with my man right here for the Ellie, 40 bones. Appreciate
you, man. Thank you, man.
Making a deal with the little homie, 60. For the Mellow, the Giddy, and the Malachi Tiger. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you, man. A deal with my dude Doc. Jordan rookie sticker. Picking up the Jordan patch, the Brady, and the Jordan 87. I appreciate you, man. Let them know. Where can they find you at?
At Doc Sports Cards.
Easy. Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Making a deal. What's your Instagram, brother?
Young Money Cards, IG.
We doing 120, some Kobe. You know we can't go wrong with Kobe, man. 120, easy. Just did a deal with my dude Jesus, man, the myth, the legend. For the Julio, can't go wrong with some Julio. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all sleeping on him, but I'm taking him.
Hey.
No. Together.
Bro, stop. You know what car we're talking about he traded?
Yes.
I valued that at $1,000.
What'd you get, tacos?
Brick.
Yeah. I didn't
see the Henderson shit?
real quick.
Yeah. Oh, you're the one that took it.
I got
Hey, you got it first, G. Hey, post lick sash, my boy here, clean the fuck up.
You can't lick
Yo, the VIP show is lit, man. Grab some wax. All soccer wax. Hobby boxes, you know. Nice Malachi, Brandon, Tiger. On card, Shaden Sharp. Dude's a beast. Can't go wrong with some Kobe Topps rookie. Anthony Edwards, man. One of the best in the league right now. You know, he's still a stud, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna pop back up, I guarantee it. Some nice Julio. Did a trade with Doc like you saw. The Jordan 8, you know what I'm saying? These 87s. I think are starting to get a lot more respect. Nice Kobe game used. Always liked this card, the way it looked. Nice Jordan game used patch. And I got a bunch of Otani from my dude, David, guy that runs the VIP show. That batting joint right there, just a banger. Then the GOAT, the football GOAT, Tom Brady. Had to get a couple Brady's, man. Yeah, if you ever find yourself in Phoenix and are into cards, man, definitely check out the Phoenix VIP Sports Card Show, man. It's just a great vibe, man. A good hobby community, you know what I'm saying? Everyone gets along, man. It's just a fun time. Can't thank my dude David enough, man. Shout out to Jody High Roller, man. He was in there with us today. Met Frank, man, the guy that runs around the cons, man, gives y'all the full walkthroughs. It was dope meeting him today. Met a bunch of cool today, actually. Oh yeah, and if you're gonna be at the Burbank Card Show, I think I'm gonna be there. I think me and the homie are gonna pop up out there. And I'm possibly might be hitting Vegas next week for the Front Row Card Show. Till next time, stay up, stay up.